Take two sections of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back and then twist it. Do the same process, repeat it until you reach the base of the scalp. Once you reach the base, you may make a normal braid. Bring the braid up through the hair. Insert the ends inwards. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back and then take a section from the left side and then tie it up with the section from the right side. Repeat the same on the left side. Next, take two sections of the hair, tie it up towards the left side and then twist it in on itself. Take the right side section and put it through the twist. Braid the left side of the hair and roll it upwards to make a bun. Add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the front, tie it up at the back, divide the rest of the hair into two parts and make two braids out of it. Then roll the braids upwards as such. Make two sections of the hair, one on the left side and the front, and then with the rest of the hair, tie a ponytail and make a bun out of it as such after twisting it. Then using the left side, roll it around the bun that you have created. Next, take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, twist it in on itself. Then make a ponytail at the bottom. Take a division of this, twist it in on itself and roll it upwards. Make another one of this and put it around the initial bun. Repeat this process. Next, take two sections of the hair, roll it in on itself so that you make a twist. Put a ponytail at the bottom and roll it upwards to make a bun. Thank you for watching.